Hi guys, may mga ano tayo dito. Hi! Saan kayo? Santa Clara. Hi, Santa Clara. Hi, what's your name? What's your name?
Crystal Victoria.
Crystal! Nag-overnight kayo? Anong school nila? May namit ako dito ang mga co-YouTubers. They are called Basilan Viners of Santa Clara lahat kayo?
Yes, Santa Clara.
Okay, yes. Santa Clara. Basilan.
They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. One day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, started writing, probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like, ooh, baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said,
Hi, what's up again mga laagans? Welcome and welcome back to another travel vlog. So, for today's video guys, mga laagans, we're here at KZ Wisa Beach Resort. Bago siyang beach resort dito sa may Luxumbang, Lamitan City. So, for the first time in Century Char, no? Yes, hi, Eman. So it's like for the first time in forever. It's been like more than 2 months since na-quarantine kami, GCQ dito sa Isabela City. So yung mga kids hindi talaga nakalabas. So for more than 2 months, finally, ito yung first na nakalabas ulit sila. Kasi before, kahit GCQ naman talaga sa Isabela guys, okay lang talaga gumalagala kasi 0 case. Pero nung umakyat-akyat ang mga positive cases ng COVID, so medyo naging strict yung city namin. Kaya wala talagang allowed na mga bata lumabas. So ngayon, medyo kumonti na naman dahil 16 na lang active cases. So nakalabas ulit sila. Pero very talaga guys, medyo strict na ng sa mga protocols. So kahit nakamotor kami papunta dito, the kids are still in their face mask and face shield. And maganda dito guys kasi yung, as you can see sa likod ko siya talaga yung mga Bermuda grass, napaka flat. Ang ganda dito mag-camping or mag-overnight with your tents. Tapos yung naman, yung sand, white sand siya na madaming mga mga pebbles, pebbles bang tawag dyan? No, the corals, yung mga crushed corals. So, hindi talaga siya as in super malinis na liguan. Katulad yung sa ibang beach na pinuntahan namin, like yung sa Maluha na maganda talagang maligo. But the kids, of course, are enjoying. Ngayon na ulit sila nakapunta. Look at them, guys. Hi, Nanan! Hello! So, tapos, medyo doon, guys, may yun doon. May pa-sandbar. May pa-sandbar pero nag-akit ng tubig so hindi na siya klaro. Then, pwede mag-volleyball. May pa-beach. Hello. Tapos may mga doon. So, second take this guys.
I need water.
Hi, Eman!
A few moments later.
Dito, hello! So, taga saan ka? Hello! Diba? Hi guys, may mga ano tayo dito. Hi! Taga saan kayo?
Taga Santa Clara.
Hi, Santa Clara. Hi, what's your name? What's your name?
Crystal dito. Ay,
Crystal! Nag-overnight kayo?
Hindi po. Banding ano.
Banding ano, mga high school?
Celebration.
Okay, graduation. Happy graduation! So may mga beautiful girls tayo dito from Santa Clara. Beautiful. Happy graduation, girls! YouTube channel, please subscribe. Maestra ang Lagan.
What's up, guys?
Hello.
What's up, guys?
Hello! Hi! So, anong school nila? Laboratory pa sila. Sa Isabela? Or dito sa Santa? Okay. So, si Mami, may kasama sila? Advisor or Mama?
Mama. Teacher.
Teacher! Happy graduation, girls!
Thank you.
Hi, ang dami nila! Mga viners, Hello!
May mangilo ka.
Madami pala sila. Ano to? Isang section? Dalawa?
Dalawang section.
Ang dami nila.
Collab daw.
Collab daw po. Collab.
Basan! Nagawa kayo content nyo? Tingnan ko daw ang content ng Basilan Viners, be.
Subscribe my YouTube channel, Basilan Binance.
Basilan, okay, please subscribe. May strong lagan. Basilan Viners kayo sa YouTube. Oh, ang dami nila. Lahat kayo Basilan Viners.
Yan na, mga team namin.
Teacher ako sa Basilan National High School. Kaya yan siya, maestra ng laagan. Oo.
Kayo nag-vlog din sa Tumakid, no? Kayo nag-shoot din sa Tumakid?
Oo, nakita mo yun, yung drone? Oo. So, ang daming mga artista dito sa mga Viners. Wow, sana all! So, hello mga lagas! May namit ako dito ang mga co-YouTubers. They are called
Basilan Viners.
Basilan Viners of Santa Clara lahat kayo?
Yes, Santa Clara.
Okay, they're all from Santa Clara. City Basilan. Ano kayo? Nag-Bisaya or ano yun?
Bisaya kasi, Basilan yung pinadala.
Oh, nilagyan lang nilang subtitle.
Yes, taga-sugay mo lang isa.
Hindi ba rin?
Mga vlogger! Adrio! Pero nagalin, nakapita mo.
Kayong editor namin na mo?
Editor, sana all editor. Ako lahat. Ako editor, ako videographer. Ako.
Ilan na yung subscriber mo?
Bago lang ako. Bago sa 2 plus pa lang. 2,000 plus.
2,000 ma'am?
Mag-ilan na kayo? Akala ko 100K. 100K. Ilan na pala subscriber niya para ma-subscribe?
Ano pa, para mag-500 pa lang ma'am. Bago pa lang.
500. Pero nag-upload kayo sa Facebook.
Yes ma'am, sa page.
Facebook page.
What's up mga kalagan?
What's up mga kalagan? Nandito
What's up mga lagan?
Boy, tabang tao! What's up guys? Oh! Vlogger ako!
Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
Sawadee ka. Sa katila, sa kalada.
Hello.
Dimitri!
Hi guys, pa-wash out.
Wash out daw guys!
Wash out guys.
Subscribe kayo sa UG's Pornhub.
Idakaw na lang ko yung camera guys!
Hi guys.
Inaga ni Uli. Hello.
What's up ma'am?
So what's up Irene?
Pa-shoutout ka ma'am oh! Pa-shoutout si ma'am!
Pa-shoutout ako sa sarili kong channel! Thank you, Irene!
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous, listen, I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod, two peas in a pod. That we are two peas in a pod.
Anong pagkain meron dito? May adobo, isda of course. Oh! Mayroon kaming lokon. Salad. Babs gali. Uy, later na. So yan sila guys. Happy Sunday. Oh, dua lang. Diba? Hi, Karil. And Fatima. Hello. Hi. And si Raf. Hi, Raf.
Hi!
Di ba meron ka YouTube channel?
Yeah!
Dawa si Daddy sa kanya. So please subscribe.
Hi!
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Please subscribe na YouTube channel and like this video.
Okay, simula na naman ang session nila guys. Oh. Session. Hi guys! Evan, where are you man? Sabi, let's eat. We have here. Ito, masarap ng talong. Talong na may bagon at saka sili at saka kamatis. Pagdukot ni Papa. May nga sa likod na gabi okay. Makapirate ako guys. Bye na guys. Kain muna ako. So guys, may naglalaro ng party sila guys from Basilan State College, Laboratory High School of Santa Clara, Lamitan City, Basilan. Serena ng Basilan. Guys, nakakaon mo mais? Mais nga dili ko dili sweet corn. Yellow corn / malagkit. Pero lamig. Mas lamig pa sa inyong relasyon.
Now I know why it never worked out before. Hello, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah.
So let's take a picture of you look at the camera there. 1, 2, 3, smile! Smile! Aww. Hi guys! So ito yung parang dito, sandbar. Nilalakad namin kaso nga lang is medyo umakyat na ang tubig. So hindi na talaga siya masyadong clear. At hindi talaga siya lumabas. I don't know kanina kung klaro ba yun sa drone. Medyo nagtago ng araw. Tapos, tchadan, may pa volleyball.
Go front, go front. Front. Forward, go forward. Front. Mama, whenever you see a tiny one, sabi si Kuya, stop. Stop.
It's scary sometimes, but I know we're safe. Two peas in a pod, a roller coaster to walk out the door. We could be in control, but we just keep on putting on the show. And baby, I don't mind it. Let them talk, they don't get it. That we are two peas in a pod.
So, hi mga laga! So, for today, no, meron tayo dito ang tukayo. May tukayo ako nahanap, guys. Come here, Irene! So, this is Irene from, Basilan State College, Lab School, no? Senior high school. So, nandito sila for their graduation party, senior high. So, na-meet natin si Irene kanina and the rest of her classmates. So, ano masasabi mo dito sa Wisa Resort?
Maganda po. Maganda po dito.
So maganda dito guys yung Luxumbang Beach kasi lalo na dito for overnight, tapos super maganda yung pa-Bermuda, no? Tapos maganda pang
Maganda din yung mga tao.
maganda yung mga Paselenyo, di ba? So maganda siya pang team building kasi ang lawak ng lugar, pwedeng maglaro-laro, tapos pwede for siya talaga pang group outing, no? Di ba? Sobrang tinik na tinik ng araw. So that's it for today mga lagas. I hope you had
Thank you, mga
fun.
kalagan.
So thank you daw.
Subscribe to my
Ay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Labantera Bitaw.
Wait lang, magpa-outro to sa
Sige, so pa-outro tayo doon sa mga classmates ni Irene, guys. So go, 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 go.
What's up, guys? Oh, outro na, guys. Outro na. Bye-bye na.
Bye guys. Please subscribe to our channel.
Bye, mga lagan.
What's up? Hi vlog. Welcome to my Bye.
Bye, mga lagan. Bumalik lang sa lagan.
Support nyo. Maestra Mahagan. At saka yung Basilan Biners. Promote ko na rin yung Basilan Biners.
Bye-bye na, sir. Bye-bye na, sir. Bye-bye na, sir. Bye-bye, guys.